Hey, first grade, this is the first of two videos that you're going to be watching today. This is a refresher video about how we tell time, and we're going to go through this first before you get to practice telling time. So remember that the shorthand is called the hour hand. So this shorthand is pointing to the hour, so it is 10. The hour is 10. The long hand is called the minute hand. So this minute hand is pointing to 6. But remember that every jump between a number is worth 5 minutes. So if we had to tell the time on this clock, we would first count by 5s until we got to where the minute hand is sitting. So we start at 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the minute hand is pointing to the 6, but that's actually the 30th minute. So this clock tells us it is 10:30. When you read the minute hand, remember each number around the clock represents 5 minutes. So we just talked about that on the other screen. So in this example, they're showing you again the minute hand represents 30 minutes, or some people call it half past, meaning that half of the hour has already passed. So we do not read this as 10:06. That is not a number in time. Each of these jumps is worth 5. So you count by 5s to get to the number that your minute hand is sitting on. When the minute hand is pointing at the 12, that is when a new hour is started, and we represent a new hour with this 00. So in this case, this clock is showing us that the time is 8 o'clock. So we have the hour, we have the colon, that dot dot, and then we have the minutes. So the hour is 8, the minutes are 00 because it is on the 12, and we read that as 8 o'clock. That means that this is the start of a new hour. Sometimes, remember, the hour hand doesn't point exactly at the right hour, and that's because the time is getting closer to the next hour. So when we did this in class, we talked about if that hour hand is in the middle or in between two numbers, we always go backward. So in this case, the hour hand is between 1 and 2, and that's because our minute hand is pointing out 45. That's not much time left. We only have 15 minutes left before a new hour starts. And that's why the hour hand is slowly getting closer to the next hour. So when you come across a situation where your hour hand is between two numbers, always fall backward. So in this case, this clock is showing us it is 1, fall back to 1, 45, because each jump between numbers on a clock is worth 5. All right, that's the end of our introduction video. Make sure that you go to the next video to work on your assignment for the day.